Webstone Valve Innovation presents the Hydrocore Manifold System. Once a hydronic heating system design is completed, the initial focus is to configure the near boiler piping to a high-efficiency boiler. The objective is to create an effective and efficient method to deliver BTUs from the heat source to the hydronic delivery system. Webstone has developed a revolutionary approach for simplifying the installation of near boiler loops by combining a sophisticated forged brass manifold with prefabricated supply and return lines compatible with the most common boiler orientations, including floor standing side mount, floor standing top mount, wall hung, or wall hung boilers with an integral pump. The Hydrocore manifold itself is also suitable for installation in secondary circuit loops. The advantages of the Hydrocore system are many, beginning with the installation and continuing over the life of the system. Immediately, it eliminates the need to field fabricate a complex assembly of 34 components, including closely spaced tees, valves, nipples, boiler drains, and fittings. Yesterday's field method would generate 32 leak paths and take the installer nearly 5 hours to complete. The Hydrocore system can be installed using only a fraction of the components, eliminating 29 leak paths and completed in less than 30 minutes with expert-looking results. Closely spaced tees are imperative in the near boiler loop for the boiler and system to operate properly. This assembly often poses challenges for installers, as their small size and multiple angles make soldering difficult, and precise spacing across the tees is a must. The precision-crafted Hydrocore manifold is manufactured to the exact spacing required to ensure hydraulic separation across the tees. The Hydrocore system also simplifies future maintenance. For example, close both of the main valves to easily isolate the boiler for service or pump replacement. Connect a hose and open the ball drain main valve to easily purge the system through the boiler. Close both main valves on the Hydrocore manifold and open a ball drain elsewhere in the system to purge the system apart from the boiler. Or attach hoses, close both main valves, and open both drain valves to easily purge, fill, or descale the boiler or secondary system loop. All of this is achieved with expert-looking results that are guaranteed for life. The Webstone Hydrocore manifold boasts a sophisticated compact design that performs all of the functions just discussed in very little space. Each manifold consists of precision-crafted, closely spaced tees, bordered by an isolator valve with rotating flange and drain on one side, and a ball drain on the other. Both main valves are manufactured with Webstone's unique T-flow valve design, which allows flow to be directed into the drain from either side of the main ball valve. This unique valve design and purge drain capability makes the Hydrocore manifold extremely beneficial to the installer. The snug-fit 360-degree rotating flange offers greater flexibility to orient the pump during installation. And the manifold is fully insulated with EPDM foam insulation, saving the hassle of custom fitting off-the-shelf insulation on the job site. The Hydrocore manifold requires a union connection to connect the ball drain side to the rest of the system. Webstone offers 3 different connection styles to choose from: a basic union, a union with 1/4-inch plugged gauge port, or a connection with multiple ports should other devices, such as low water cutoff or indirect water heater, be required. The Hydrocore manifold is available with 3 different flange orientations to provide versatility and accommodate specific installation needs. Flanges are available on the right or left side of the manifold, or omitted for boilers with integral pumps. However, don't let the options overwhelm you. Webstone's boiler compatibility resources make it easy to identify the right Hydrocore kit for your specific boiler installation. Simply let us know if you prefer your manifold connections in threaded, sweat, or press, and let us do the rest. The Hydrocore system is available with varying degrees of prefabrication. Complete near boiler piping kits by far offer the contractor the greatest benefit. Specific features vary by kit, but generally include their choice of manifold, threaded, sweat, or press. Fully fabricated and insulated supply and return lines, assembled with either copper or Hydrocore flex tubing, which have been outfitted with connections for their specific boiler. Select models also include an integrated mesh Y strainer with rotating flange. The strainer's cap features a 1/2-inch plugged port for the installation of a drain valve if one should be desired. A union connection with a plugged pressure gauge port. Pressure gauges themselves are also available separately from Webstone. Please visit webstonevalves.com for further information. Or boiler connections with plugged FIP ports for connection to other equipment, such as an indirect water heater, heat exchanger, or pressure relief valve. All kits accommodate circulators 6.5 inches in length, but thicker flange gaskets are available to adjust for installations where a shorter pump may be utilized. Complete near boiler piping kits are available to fit the most common boiler orientations on the market today, including floor standing boilers with side mount connections, floor standing boilers with top mount connections, wall hung boilers with integral pumps, and combi boilers. Kits are available to fit about 200 different boilers from around 20 different manufacturers, so chances are we have a solution for you. Find the right kit for your boiler at webstonevalves.com/hydrocore or call us and let us do it for you. While complete near boiler piping kits have been carefully developed to accommodate the most common installations, we recognize that every installation is a little different. And in rare cases, our prefabricated piping may not be your preferred solution. In that event, you can still benefit from Hydrocore's other advantages by selecting our near boiler component kits. Component kits include the manifold, pump, and boiler connections, but leave the installer to fabricate the desired piping configuration in the field. For secondary circuit loops, or less common boiler models, you can simply select the Hydrocore Manifold kit and still experience the majority of the product's benefits. And finally, if you have truly unique needs, all Hydrocore components are available for individual sale, so you may customize your installation from start to finish. See for yourself and experience Webstone engineering at its best. At the end of the day, Hydrocore is the core of any professional hydronic installation.